Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni Review. A robot vacuum that scrubs floors and cleans itself. There's a lot to like with the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. It performed well as a vacuum, navigating and picking up dirt and debris of all sizes on carpets and hard floors. The Omni station was also a strong point, too, and was without issue as far as functionality is concerned, too. On the negative side, mopping was lackluster in our tests. And while it functioned great, the Omni station is large, taking up quite a bit of space that some homes might not have to spare. Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni Performance. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni was extremely easy to set up, and we liked that basic step-by-step instructions were included on the lid of the base station, so we didn't have to hunt through the manual. On the lowest suction, the robot vacuum was able to collect every last bit of fine dust, cookie crumbs and larger debris, including cereal, from hard floors. However, we did find that on hard surfaces the side brush had a tendency to scatter debris further around the room, which made the vacuuming process slightly longer than we'd hoped. The Deebot X1 Omni was also able to suck up most fine dust and larger debris on soft floor surfaces, although the more powerful settings were required for giving carpets a deeper clean. We were impressed that the Deebot X1 can be set to automatically increase the level of suction on detecting carpet, boosting it from level 1, dubbed quiet, to maximum or max plus during testing. The Deebot X1 took a methodical route around our home, both when vacuuming and mopping, thanks to the LiDAR sensor and camera. This combo also ensured the robot vacuum didn't bump into furniture. However, it was a different story when it came to avoiding any obstacles placed in its path. It attempted to suck up both a charging cable and a sock. We also found the Deebot X1 regularly became stuck when moving from thick pile carpet to hard floors, which meant we had to physically move the robot vacuum and restart the cleaning session. As we've already mentioned, the mop function here does more than simply wet floors. The Deebot X1 Omni is one of the few robot vacuums on the market that can actually scrub them, too. As such, we found that this RoboVac coped just as easily for removing tough dried-on stains such as Coca-Cola and coffee from our hard floor, as it did fresh dirt. Note, however, that there's no way to adjust the scrubbing intensity, unlike the Roborock S7 Max V Ultra, for example. We also found that unless the mopping pads were removed, the RoboVac would automatically return to its docking station if it detected carpet during its cleaning session. The Deebot X1 Omni isn't the quietest robot vacuum we've tested. Our decibel meter measured a maximum of 60 dB when it was cleaning hard floors, rising to 70 dB on Max Plus, and a few decibels quieter on carpet. This is the equivalent level of noise made by a shower. However, it's the opposite when it's running its own cleaning processes on the dock. Our decibel meter recorded just 72 dB when emptying the dust box into the docking station, and 62 dB when cleaning the mopping pads, making it the quietest robot vacuum we've tested to offer such functionality. Note that the dust box can be manually emptied, although, as we've already mentioned, this does require the lid to be removed first. However, with that done, we simply had to raise the handle and carry the dust box straight to the garbage. We liked that the handle kept the dust box upright, so no debris could fall from it. The robot vacuum's built-in camera can also be used to see and speak to anyone in its field of view. On test, viewing a live feed from the camera as the robot vacuum made its way around our home was mesmerizing. The sound was clear when using the microphone and speaker to converse, also making it a great tool for soothing pets when you're not at home. Should I buy the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni? You want a robot vacuum to mop as well as vacuum. This robot vacuum can do more than simply slosh water on hard floors. It can scrub and actually remove ground and stains. This makes it a great buy for those with both carpets and hard floors in their home. You want to outsource every aspect of floor cleaning. Only can the Deebot X1 Omni empty its own dust box, it can also clean and dry its own mopping pads and refill the water tank for you. It delivers the most hands-off experience of any robot vacuum we've tested. You want to keep an eye on your home. Whether that's because you want to soothe pets, or you're concerned about intruders, the built-in HD camera in this robot vacuum allows you to check in on your home and converse with anyone in its field of view.